What is going on, friends and fans? Ryan Dohrn here with some other sales advice for you. This week we're going to be talking about FOMO selling. FOMO, fear of missing out. Why don't more people do this? I don't quite know. Let me give you a little bit of an example to all the folks that watch me that are in the media sales business. Let's just say that I'm trying to sell the back cover of a magazine. Rather than call one person and talk about one thing to that one person, I don't do it that way. Instead, I'm going to reach out to 4 people at the same time. And I'm going to say, hey, I think y'all would be great for this. It's a first come, first serve kind of situation. Our back cover is very rarely open. It is today a first come, first serve kind of scenario. Or another way to FOMO sell is to reach out to the first person on a list of 4. Mention the fact that you're going to contact the other 3 if they don't respond, if they don't take you up on that offer. Now, some people say, oh, it's high pressure. No. My sales techniques are low pressure, high finesse selling. Ooh, that could be a title for a book. Low pressure, high finesse selling. Register trademark Ryan Dohrn if you steal it out there. I'm going to go get the .com name right now. Remember, friends, FOMO means you making somebody else feel like if they don't take you up on your product or service, boy, are they missing out. But the way to enhance FOMO is to name drop the names of other customers you either have sold to or are going to sell to if they don't respond to your offer. Hey, I'd love to talk about this and so much more at one of your national sales meetings. Come on in and get your team all motivated up to be sales successful. Reach out to me over at ryandohrn.com, Dohrn. And just never forget, if sales was easy, everybody would be doing it. But they're not. We're the chosen few out there that have chosen a career that's going to feed our families vibrantly for a lifetime. All right, friends, we'll see you next week.